Welcome to the one person who decided to watch my video. Now, this is a set that I got commissioned to make. I guess one of the clients saw this on Instagram and wanted a press-on to match. Now, obviously, you can see it is a beautiful set. You see the pic there, it shows the original creator of the design, I believe. Definitely, I'm not the original creator, but you see it there. Now, I must say, this set took forever to make. I'm guessing because it was so intricate in regards to the swirls, and I wanted to get them as close to the picture as I could. It took forever. If I'm being quite honest, it was one of the hardest sets to paint that I've done to date. And because all 10 fingers had, those swirls, then it was even more of a challenge. But I think I came close to it. My client is pretty happy. So that's good. As long as she's happy, I'm happy with how it turned out. I hope you guys, think or feel the same in regards to it being a close dupe to the actual picture. You could let me know in the comments or by giving a like, if you feel the same way. As always, subscribe if you like my content. Our aim is to reach 1,000 subscribers by the end of this year. Let's see if we could make it. I'm nowhere near there, but we're just gonna keep saying it and let's see what happens. Talking, you guys. So anyways, I'm gonna enjoy the video, see how I got the nails created. Took quite a bit of time to get it down to 14 minutes. It was a 2-hour long clip, but I got it down. Like, comment, and subscribe. As always, leave a comment about your thoughts on the video and how you think I did, and I will see you guys when I am doing the 3D charm. Bye for now. Okay, I am back with you. Thank you so much for sticking with me. I'm at the last nail of the thumb. Those swirls just about killed me. Now, in my country, we'd say you have to use your hand make fashion. That's what I did in regards to getting that blue crystal with my 3D mold and my magnetic gel that I just got from Cocois. Now, it doesn't really show as much as it should here, but yeah, I made the charm. Now, at the moment, I only had these that I got from Daily Charm, these beads, silver beads. After I finished the set, I was like, wait, I should have some like silver crystals somewhere. So you'll see at the end where I, dabbed those in to give the whole gem effect. But this is what I did. Use your hand make fashion, friend. And that's what I did. And of course, my client was okay with it. She understood that, hey, this is what I had. She wanted the set so badly, and she was okay with it. So that's good. Now I'm just top coating everything. Of course, I did mention it, but I had to, which every swirl I did, I flash cured, because I was not gonna go over that swirl if it got messed up. And trust me, there were a couple times it did where I forgot to flash cure, and it did. So I was like, I had to be on point with that flash cure thing, but I made it. I survived. And I don't want to tune my own horn, but I think they look good. If you don't, let me know why, by the way. Let me know in the comment section. But yeah, I think I did a pretty good job. Thank you for watching and staying tuned with my video. Again, if you like my content, you know what to do. I will see you in my next video. Bye.